What I forgot to mention in that previous video that I wanted to show you was creating project templates. It's just real handy. A lot of that work I did will still be there when you open a new project if you create a project template. So I want to do a few things to this file, to our song before I create the project template. First, I'm going to bring back those other Band in the Box tracks that I got rid of. So I'm going to use the View drop-down menu. I'm going to select Media Explorer, and I'm going to bring it back in the piano and the guitar. There's the piano, and here is the guitar. And I'm going to slide those up so they're part of this group. I'm going to name them piano. Was that the piano? And guitar. Double clicking in that field and typing in my names. The next thing I need to do, let's see, I'm going to leave Media Explorer there. Oh, I need to add the I want the drums and the bass up top. It's important to get this just like you like it. I'm going to, well, I can do it here. I'm going to take the rhythm guitar, and I'm going to put the EQ from that into the piano and the guitar. Okay, and this one. So now I've got EQs in their effects bay. I'm going to add the sends. I want to use the same send level that I had for that rhythm guitar on those two. I would drag that over there. And I'm going to just put all these at 0 volume levels, including rename this rhythm guitar. And I'm going to name this one. Which one was this? That's the mic. This will be lead guitar. I don't usually use that track, so I'm going to delete it. And lead guitar group I want to get rid of, but to get rid of the lead guitar group, I first need to move this so it's not part of that lead guitar group, because it would delete that too. So that's gone. And then I want to remove all the tracks. So I'm going to use Shift, click. Oops, didn't work. I'm going to use Control, and I'm just going to select all these tracks, and I'm going to hit delete. And I think that's all cleaned up. And I'm going to get rid of these markers. Time selection. I'm going to drag it over all the markers. I think, okay, that's as far as I need to go. And I'm going to right click right above this little mark at the end of the marker. And if I look down here somewhere in this, there it is, remove all markers. So all the markers are gone. Remove the selection, put it back to 0. And I believe that is what I want. I don't want this to be so aggressive to start off with. I think I will just grab an even number here. Make this -3 decibels if I can. It doesn't want to go there. Might be. And box. Ooh. Let me undo that. Make band in a box. Make it minus 10 decibels. Did I zero these? And I want to make that dual pan on my piano. And I believe that's it. So now, if you go to File and you say Project Template, and you save Project as a template, and I'm going to call this Band in a Box Projects. Save. So now I'm going to close this project. I'm not going to save it. And now when I'm going to start a new project, I can go to Project Templates, and there it is right there. It's the only one I actually have. I was just reading up on this. So if I click this, this should bring all that information in. And now I have that same project with all my effects already set up and all my files set up. So if I go to Media Explorer and just imagine this is a different song, you know, I can just bring the drums in and set them right there. And, you know, bring my guitar in, and it's already got reverb on it. It's already got that EQ that I did, etc. So I bring in all my tracks. I don't have to reset up all those effects. And because if you look at the mixer, see the effects are there. The reverb that I set up is there. Oh, the other thing I should mention is the reason I did a reverb bus is I wanted the same reverb on all the instruments. So that's one reason. It's like they're all in the same room. I just think making different types of reverbs for different instruments might be more of an unnatural sound. So all the instruments are in, quote, the same room. And the other thing is certain effects like reverbs and delays and choruses, they take a lot of CPU processing power. So if I had set a reverb effect into every one of these tracks, or even much more tracks if I had a much bigger file, it would have taken a lot more CPU processing. So I only have it here in my reverb bus, and with all these other ones sending to it, and it's less taxing on the CPU. So I think that's everything I wanted to show you. Using that template command is really handy to save a lot of time on setting up future projects.